Donovan, we're here at the launch of the Gayle Academy at Cricket for Change. Can you tell me a little bit about how it started?
It started about 3 years ago when we went on a Cricket for Change staff went on a team away day in Ireland, and we were coming up with loads of different ideas. And I was standing with my chief executive Andy Sellins, and I said to him, "What do you think we come up with an academy for young people?" And he turns and says to me, "Great idea." And then he said, "What should we call it?" And I said, "How about the Gayle Academy?" And obviously I'm good mates with Chris. I'll just send him a BB message, said, "What do you think?" I'm thinking of setting up an academy in England, and then we could probably set one up in Jamaica, India, and around the world. What do you think? And he says, "Okay," 2 words. And that's exactly how it started. And for the last 3 years, it's been a lot of planning behind it, a lot of meetings, but I'm quite happy it's finally happening now, and it's quite exciting times for both the Gayle Foundation and Cricket for Change.
Yeah, just hearing a few things that Gayle mentioned about the club that he came from, Lucas in Jamaica. It's really important for kids to have the opportunity to play cricket.
Absolutely. I mean, me and Chris is from the same background, and we play for separate clubs in Jamaica, but we have the same way how to go about things, and so it's just 2 great minds working alike, and it's a great opportunity now. I think he likes doing charity work, and I think that's the route he's looking to go down in maybe in the next 20 years when he retires. So it's great things starting up. Yeah.
And behind you, there's a game going on. Is the academy in play at the moment?
Yes. The academy is playing the club cricket conference. I mean, it's wet and cold, but as you can see how excited the boys is having Chris here and playing this game. And it's very good to see the club cricket conference. We work quite closely with them over the last couple of years. Myself as well have a foot in both ends because I represent the club cricket conference. And for them to come here and play in this condition is really, really helpful, and it's a good day for both of us.
Okay, so what can you say? What sort of message can you put out there for the young kids who want to get on in life, and particularly in cricket?
Guys, it's just not cricket, guys. There's loads of opportunities out there for you by using the cricket. So if you get to that age and you feel like you want to quit the game, have a good think about it. There's loads of different routes you can take, and as you can see what's happening here now, we have some good cricketers, we have young people who been in trouble, from different backgrounds, and we're trying to use in cricket as the vehicle to try and hook them and divert them in the path they want to go.